Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of the YouTube app on an Android phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. For some reason, there is no sign out button on the YouTube app. This leaves people very frustrated and confused about how they can sign out of the app. I will show you two different ways of signing out of the YouTube app. The first way is through your phone's settings. Open the Settings app on your phone and then open the App Settings. In your app settings, search for YouTube and open up the YouTube app settings. In the YouTube app settings, scroll down and tap on Storage. You now need to tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap Delete on the pop-up. Now when you go back to the YouTube app, you will be logged out, and you will immediately have the option to log back in without your password. If you tap on an empty part of the screen, then the login option will disappear, and you won't be logged into an account. If you tap on the user icon in the top right corner, you will have the option to sign in again if you like. You can just tap on your account and it will sign in immediately without you having to put in your password. If you would like to sign out completely so that you will have to put in your email address and password to sign in again, then follow the next steps. Tap on the user account in the top right corner. Tap on your account name at the top. Tap Manage Accounts. Tap on the Google account that is connected to your YouTube. Tap Remove Account. Note that removing this account from YouTube will also log you out of Gmail and other Google services on this device. Tap Remove Account on the pop-up, then tap OK. You will have to enter your phone's PIN or scan your fingerprint to continue. Now when you open the YouTube app again, you'll be fully signed out. If you tap on the user icon in the top right, you will have the option to sign in, but you will have to tap on Add Account and put in your email and password to sign in. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.